I am Dr. Kali Rajan from JSS College of Pharmacy, the scientific convener for this Pharma Nest event organized by Open Pharmacy Federation. So we welcome Dr. Muhammad Salaluddin, Principal, Farukia College of Pharmacy, Mysuru, Dr. Veer Vikram, Professor, Lala Lajpati Rai College of Pharmacy, Punjab, and Dr. N. Paramakrishnan, JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysuru. So we welcome you all. So over to Vallika. Vallika is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, starting with today's presentations. The first presenter is ENS 415. 415 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll share the screen. Be ready with your explanation.
Your presentation time is 5 minutes, followed by 2 minutes questions. So when you are presenting, you can switch on your video. All the participants kindly note.
Yeah. Yes, you can start.
We will proceed.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Saitya from Jipula Reddy College of Pharmacy from Hyderabad. I'm pursuing my master's in pharmaceutical analysis, and today I'm talking about the poster about this is my project title, analytical method validation report for the estimation of related substance of octreotide in octreotide reverse phase HPLC method. Where octreotide acetate, it is the uh, ast- as- acetate salt of synthetic long-acting cyclic octopeptide, which has a effect which mimics same as the natural hormone somatostatin, and it is more potent than the somatostatin, which inhibits the growth hormone glucagon and insulin. uh, these are the materials and methods which are uh, used for the analysis of this octreotide acetate, and I have reported I have reported the related substance of the octreotide acetate, the which is procured from the Vircopytic synthesis department, and it was performed on the Dynex Ultimate 3000 by using a mobile phase which is containing about 0.02% of the trifluoroacetic acid and mobile phase B acetonitrile in a gradient dilution, and it is analyzed by HPLC at 220 nanometers by using the column phenomenic synergy max RP 250 into 4.6 mm 4 micrometers or equivalent column, and these are the results and discussion. Like optimized chromatographic conditions, I have used a stationary phase. Like a stationary phase is the column which I used phenomenic synergic max RP 250 into 4.6 mm 4 micrometer or equivalent column, and mobile phase I used A trichloroacetic acid and B as acetonitrile 90:10, and wavelength is 220 nanometers and flow rate is 1.0 ml per minute, injection volume 10 microliters, and sampler temperature is 15 degrees. And method validation has done where validation parameters are system suitability, specificity, accuracy, range, and precision. The system suitability, I've got the results about 1.09, and specificity peak purity is 988, accuracy 10, and range is 150%, and precision 0.9%. And these which I've referred for this project.
You finished? Yeah. Finished?
Yes.
What basis you have chosen the
Sir?
wavelength? What you have chosen? What is the basis behind that?
220 nanometer.
What is the
220 nanometer.
what is the basis? You only did know. But,
Sir?
this work is been done by you. Like that.
Sir?
Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Just want to know
Actually,
been done by you or somebody has done.
No, sir. By me itself.
You only did, no? Did as part of
Yes.
work or PhD work?
Sir?
This work was related to which type of research? Whether it is a sponsored or research work, or it is a UG project work, or PG project work, or PhD project.
Your voice is not audible to me, sir.
Am I audible, everyone?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Saitya, I'm just asking you. You are a faculty or you are a student?
I'm a student.
You are a student of which
Yes.
course? UG, PG, or PhD?
PG, sir. Pharmaceutical analysis
You
department.
are still doing PG or completed?
This is my last semester, sir.
Okay. The one project what you have submitted is your PG project.
I didn't submit it. I have worked on it due to the lockdown. And now I'm working on the thesis of this project.
So you haven't submitted anywhere your communication about this work, no? This is the first platform or this is
Yes.
the first professional platform where you are submitting it.
Yes, sir.
So why you have chosen the two phases? You have chosen two mobile phase. What is that?
Trichloroacetic acid and acetonitrile.
Why?
Because my this octreotide acetate is freely soluble in these two organic phases. So that's why I have used this trichloroacetic acid and acetonitrile as my mobile phase.
Okay, what is your conclusion of your research?
Conclusion, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, it is this method is used to analyze all the related substances which are impurities present in these octreotide acetate while manufacturing the API and during packaging and finished after the finished products. That's by this we can report the impurity profile of this drug, and we can uh, uh, make a new method if we get any new impurities in this drug.
Did you find any impurities
Yes, sir.
that you reported?
I have got unknown impurities, sir. I have reported in the chromatograms.
What are those? Broadly, anything you are concluding? What type of impurities they are?
No, sir.
No. Okay. What do you,
Saitya,
Dr.
Sir, Mr. Ramesh, please keep display the poster until the questions are over.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Ramesh.
yeah. Saitya, you told octarides inhibits growth hormones, glucagon, insulin. May I know
Yes.
insulin? Which receptors of body release insulin?
Cheaper
And somatostatin.
pancreatic receptors, sir, wherein it releases
Pancreatic,
the
alpha, beta, gamma, delta.
beta cells of pancreas.
And somatostatin.
Somatostatin, G protein receptors.
No. Okay. And you told me you have worked on HPLC. May I know which company have produced the HPLC? The instrument that is purchased from which company? There are different companies. They have manufactured. Pardon?
Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Smita.
Hello, madam.
Sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Hello, this is Paramakrishnan. Can you tell me what do you mean by gradient? How the proportionality changed? Which has been increased? Which has been decreased? What is the time interval?
Time.
You said no gradient
is
evolution.
40 minutes. Yes. 40
Uh,
minutes time.
No, 40 minutes total time, no?
Yes.
Gradient means there is a time gap. In between the time gap, we need to change some parameters.
Yeah.
What is
Yes.
the time? What's the time gap which you have changed?
Or for 10 minutes, I have changed the gradient is 60% and 40% acetonitrile. And for the second after the 20 minutes, I have changed it to 70% trifluoroacetic acid and 30% acetonitrile.
What is the name of the detector which is used?
UV, sir. UV and PDA detect.
One is sufficient, no? Both is necessary.
No, sir. Even we can use or else the PDA.
What you have used in your
UV,
instrument?
sir. UV.
Okay, okay, then. Thank you, sir.